Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the TATARTIST Salon rolling trolley cart, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Made from premium tempered glass, this cart is not only sturdy but also adds a touch of elegance to any space. Whether you're a professional in a salon or just someone who loves to keep things organized at home, this cart is for you. One of the standout features of this trolley is its versatility. With one drawer and 3 tiers of glass shelves, you'll never run out of storage space. It's perfect for storing beauty tools, facial products, tattoo supplies, or anything else you need easy access to. Plus, with dimensions of 16.5 inches in diameter, 22.6 inches in width, and 31.5 inches in height, it's spacious without taking up too much room. But what really sets this cart apart is its mobility. Thanks to the 4 smooth rolling wheels, you can effortlessly move it from room to room. Need to rearrange your salon layout? No problem. Want to take your supplies from your beauty room to the bathroom? Easy peasy. The wheels glide effortlessly, making transportation a breeze. And let's not forget about the warranty. With a 1-year warranty, you can purchase with confidence knowing that your investment is protected. In terms of assembly, it couldn't be simpler. With its easy assembly feature, you'll have this cart up and running in no time. Overall, I can't recommend the TATARTIST Salon rolling trolley cart enough. It's stylish, functional, and built to last. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organized bliss with this must-have storage solution. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.